Well, hello everybody. This is a stay-at-home grandma, and I've got, let's see, I've got the dollar store, I've got Gabes, well, just one thing from Gabes, and some Chit Chat, and I've got some Chit Chat for you, but the dollar store first. So, I went to the dollar store because it's going to snow. We're supposed to get between, I don't know, 12 inches. Anyway, we got two peach pot pies. My husband and I actually like these. So that was that. But I got some Cheez-Its in a pack. And I think there's 6 of them. Yeah. So that's good. Some white Cheez-Its. Then I got some, I got mints for the baby. The peppermints. And then I got the little candy puffs. But she likes those. And then I got the little hard mints for the other baby. My baby, anyway. And then I told you this was never going to happen again. I got tissue. Every time I go there, I get tissue. At least one box. And then I got, when I was there, I got this. I'm going to make a little wreath out of it. So, I thought that was really nice because I usually am always too late to get it. But I got it this time. And then, I got, a Lunchable for Ari and some Franks because they like the chicken Franks. And then, these are my husband's. These are the Starlight Green. He likes those. So I take care of the hubster. Then, I got one Jumix because I've got some, but I always keep one in. I got mango. Then I was walking down the aisle and these were 2 for $1. Let me get them out so you can see them. They are the organic Hunt's tomato diced, and they're diced, and they were 2 for $1. And I'm like, didn't have a coupon on me. I'm still getting used to that. Then I got some hot dog rolls for the girls for tomorrow because they come over after school. Well, both of them come over after school tomorrow. So I got some hot dog rolls. And then I got some Renewal for the bathroom. And then we got these. I throw these away, don't tell them. Okay, because we don't have those kinds of pans. But men don't always listen to everything you say. I got the A&D. Yes, I did. Then I found these in the art section. These were the wooden stamps. I got a heart. That shocked me because I never find those either. And then I got a butterfly. And I thought that was really nice. Then I got some Tidy Bow. I got 2 of them. Got 2 of those. Here's the other one. And then I got, now I've been getting these every time I go there. My husband said to me, why do you get those all the time? You must have a whole lot. I'm planning to do my vanity in the bathroom. I had been thinking about this and been thinking about that. Thought I'd get some contract paper, and then I thought, well, maybe I'll get something. But then I decided I would do these. So I've got to cement them in. But I just had to make sure that and I've got some other colors as well. I'm going to kind of color it to make it very pretty. But that's what I'm going to do. Now, it shouldn't take me long. And then I'll find some handles for it. And actually, I'll show you the before. I'll take a picture of the before and then the after. And then lastly, I got Oh, I got these for the oven. These are the clear appliance, and they're 3,000 hours. Medium base, and they're 40 watts. And I got two of those. Might as well do them at the dollar store. Because I think that they're like, for two of them in Lowe's, I think they're $6. And then I found one of these. I wish I had found some more, but I found that one. So maybe I'll come across and find another one of those. Anyhow, that was it for that. Let me put these things up. Then I went into, which is actually Rugged Warehouse, but is now really Gabes, because they're using Gabes bags. Because I promised my granddaughter I would buy her a coat for Christmas, and it came and went, and I bought the other one online, but I couldn't find anything that I liked for her online that would fit her, actually, because everything was more for the toddlers. So I found this at Gabes, Rugged Warehouse, and this was, let's see if I can get it. This is what I found. So it's nice. It's got a fur hood to it. So that should fit her quite nice. It's got a zipper. And this was $15, marked down from 25. So, and this is a Beverly Hills Polo Club. I don't know what that is, but it's a 10-12. So this should fit her just fine. So I'm going to surprise her when she comes over tomorrow. And it's got a little zipper in the front. So it's really kind of classy. And she's so tiny that probably wrap around her twice. But anyway, like I said, I like the little fur and everything. So I thought that was nice. So anyway, that's what I got. That's me for today. Oh, it's got a flag on the sleeve too. That's me for today. So it was made in America. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Stay warm. Stay blessed. And if it snows, try to stay out of it. That's all I'm saying. This winter is brutal. Okay, we haven't had a brutal winter like this in years. So anyway, I love you all. Stay safe. And God bless. Bye-bye.